To fix the slow printing issue with brother printer, that is HL-3140CW model number, you have to uninstall and reinstall brother's printer driver. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to uninstall a program. Sorry. Click on uninstall a program, and over here find brothers and driver. Once you find the brothers driver, uninstall all the brothers driver, click on uninstall, click on yes, and let the uninstall complete. So once the uninstall is complete, just uninstall the printers driver and then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can go to the brothers official website. Go to the official website and then find your model number over here, and then you can go to click over here, and then you can go to downloads over here, and Windows, select your operating system, whichever operating system you have. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11, select Windows over here. Now click on OK, and here you can see full driver. Click on it, and then you can scroll down, install the driver once again. Why it is, let me download it once again. Download it. Now run the exe file and then install the driver. You can select the language which you want. You can select the like if you want USB local connection USB, then you can select this one. If you want wireless, you can select wireless, and then you can go for just follow the on-screen instruction. Click on next, install the driver, and once the installation is complete, you have to connect your printer once again. And once you are connected, now you can try to make a printout, and that should help you to fix the slow printing issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.